What's up, guys? I'm Mario6V. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Pixel Gun 3D again, and we're going to be killing the hospital boss guy. He has a chainsaw, from what I've seen. Yeah, this is not going to be too easy. Oh, what is it? Gotta get him. Let's get him with this. Oh crap! That's a lot of damage. Let's try and get these guys. Woo! Go, no! So we're gonna try and get 3 stars on all of these, so They're trying to hit me. It's really hard. Gotta get him. Let's watch some TV. It's really hard. Gotta go. I dodged him. Serious. Okay, I already got 3 stars on this, so I'm not gonna care. Go. Woo! That's crazy! Okay, so this is pretty hard. Behind me. Get away! How do I get him? I can't. Hey, go! It's pretty hard. Where's my pet? Hey, that's rude. You know it's rude to hurt people's pets. No one likes my YouTube channel. This is pretty hard, y'all. I can't do this pretty easily. My game just froze. I don't know what just happened. Softball, come back here. Oh no. Oh god. Get him. Oh crap. Nightmares today. Stuff one creepier. How did I do that? Let's see if I can get him. I thought I was in a dead end. Go. Get him. Quickly. Great. Get him. Kick him. Armor. Let's see if I can get him. Can I get him, boy? Oh. I got him. Got the AK-47. Frick, my food. Oh, yeah, good. It didn't. Nothing spilled. Oh my god, we got pet. Pet open. Let's see. We got a kitty. We got a crab, Mr. Krabs. Just a second. Okay, never mind. Oh. Mr. Crab. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Mr. Wait, what? What? We got new pet. Oh my god, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I appreciate you watching this, and please like and subscribe for more amazing content like this. And bye, guys.